Smart technology is becoming a bigger part of our lives every day. It makes our lives more efficient and less stressful. Why should the care you provide in your communities be any different? The costs of overtime, overburdening, and short staffing in clinical care add up fast. Not to mention the unreliability of paper scribbles, random notes, and memory during data transcription. Say goodbye to this costly mess and discover the ability to increase efficiency, care more, and stress less. Say hello to DS Smart, the technology platform designed for care automation in senior living. By virtually connecting your clinical devices directly to your residents' EMRs, DS Smart eliminates the risk of transcription errors. Now your accurately uploaded data is instantly available to staff and physicians whenever they need it. Setup and use can be done in a few simple steps without the need for lengthy training. Nurses and CNAs can take and send readings with the easy-to-use interface, resulting in a flexible staff that completes the process 40% faster. As the most simplified solution combined with competitive pricing, DS Smart gives you an unrivaled total cost of ownership. Plus, it's designed to be fully future-capable. More and more products are being developed every day to be powered by DS Smart. DS Smart is designed to help you deliver quality, more efficient care for less, so you can focus on what matters most: your residents. Say hello to senior living's home for smart care. Say hello to DS Smart.